Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Home Depot login problems. Account recovery guide step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Home Depot website or the Home Depot mobile app to avoid fake login pages. Check that your internet connection is stable by opening another trusted website or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure caps lock is off and retype your email and password slowly to avoid hidden typing errors. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the password again because saved entries can be outdated. Click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to start the official recovery process. Enter the email address linked to your Home Depot account and submit the request. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset message from Home Depot. If you do not see it, wait a few minutes and check the spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. If the email still does not arrive, search your inbox for Home Depot and confirm you used the correct email address. Create a new strong password that you have not used before on any other website. Save the new password securely and then try signing in again with the updated credentials. If the reset link says it expired, repeat the Forgot Password process and use the newest email link. If you forgot which email you used, try your common email addresses one by one using the password reset form. If you recently changed phones, confirm you can access the recovery email account before continuing. If you are prompted for a verification code, enter it exactly as shown and request a new code if it times out. If login keeps failing, clear your browser cache and cookies for Home Depot.com and restart the browser. Try signing in using an incognito or private window to rule out extension or cookie conflicts. Disable VPN or ad blocking extensions temporarily because they can interfere with sign-in and verification pages. Update your browser or update the Home Depot app to the latest version from the official store. Try a different browser or a different device to see if the problem is device-specific. If your account appears locked after too many attempts, wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again once calmly. Review your email for any security alerts and reset your password immediately if you suspect unauthorized access. After you regain access, turn on any available security options in your account settings if they are offered. Check your profile details and ensure your email and phone number are correct for future recovery. If you receive an error message code, write it down because it helps support diagnose the issue faster. Visit Home Depot's help or customer support page and use the account login assistance options provided there. Contact Home Depot customer service and be ready to verify your identity using your account information. Once support resolves it, sign in again and confirm you can access orders, saved addresses, and payment settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.